Hey guys, Aaron here from BitBranding, and today we're gonna talk about TikTok. All right, if this is your first time on our channel, please make sure that you hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our content that we put out every week. A couple of months ago, we created a video about TikTok and why we thought it was not a good place for business owners. Tons of people began using the platform and it fixed the number one issue that we had with it, which was the ability for advertising. They introduced a new plan for small business owners to be able to start advertising on the platform. Although that's not out yet, once it is available, don't worry, we will put out a video for that as well. With the growth of the platform and the introduction of sponsored ads, it now gives the ability for small business owners to potentially reach hundreds of thousands of people. TikTok is now the fastest growing app in 2019 with over 500 million active daily users. So what is TikTok? It used to be Musical.ly, but basically it's Instagram meets Vine. TikTok is mainly focused on that age demographic between 16 to 24, and with the updates over the last few months have really skyrocketed their growth. All right, although there are 500 million active daily users on there and that may seem like it's saturated, only a very small percentage of those people are actually creating content. So the ability for you as a business owner to go out and create content and have that go viral or reach hundreds of thousands of people is very likely. Just last week on my personal account of TikTok, testing out the platform, I posted a video that has now over 125,000 views. Whether you're using TikTok for fun or to grow your business with more awareness, it's a great platform for you to be spending your time on. Now we're gonna show you exactly how to create your very first TikTok video. All right guys, so I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to create an account, but I think something to note is that you don't have to actually create a profile to consume the content. For example, there's the two tabs up at the top of the screen, the following and for you. If I click on following, it's telling me to create an account. If I do for you, it will actually just show the most popular videos that are out on TikTok right now. However, we're gonna go to the profile and create an account, and you can do that with Facebook, Instagram, or Facebook, Google, or Twitter. We're gonna sign up with a phone or email because we're gonna be our BitBranding account. And let me just go ahead and put in a random day here. Got to put in your phone number, or actually you can do email. There we go. That's what we're gonna do. Click continue. Don't look at our password. Okay, this is kind of new. Drag the puzzle piece over to verify. Never seen that before. Okay, so now you have an account. Ours is just hello7415. You're gonna go to the dots up in the right-hand corner. You should probably take a look at all the different settings that they have here. First thing I would do though is click and edit your profile to make sure that it's something that you want it to be. For example, ours is not gonna be hello741 whatever. It's gonna be BitBranding. And we will save that. Our nickname will be BitBranding too. Okay. We can also change out and add a profile picture, which I need to have somebody airdrop me the logo for BitBranding. All right, so one of the first things you want to do is change your name, but then go to your profile image and make sure it's a recognizable image, whether it's your headshot, whether it's your business logo. So we're going to change it out for a BitBranding logo that Jack just sent over to me. Perfect. And then just make sure that you go to the top right and click save. Something else that you can add, which we have not added yet, which we probably will be a bio. It'll probably be similar to our Instagram one. Just figure out a bio that describes you and why people should follow you. And then click save. And we're actually gonna create our first video right now. All right, so what we're gonna do now is actually record a short video, and this will be our first video on our BitBranding account. Nice. Okay, so let's make Christian clean that up. All right, so when you're recording from the TikTok app, you can hold and record and you can stop and then it will change scenes. So it's kind of like a stop motion effect with the video, or you can upload directly from your phone, which I've done that as well. All right, then you're gonna click that red check mark, and what will really make this actually good is using the sound and effects. Jack, do you have a good sound off the top of your head? All right, so once you've added music there, you can also add an effects. There's visual effects, there is regular effects that will make it like a time warp. There's a transition effect. And let's just do a visual effect. As you create the effects though, this is something you want to play around with. You can hold them down and this will allow you to, so for example, I'll do some. You can add some bling. Let's see here, we can add a shake at the end. Okay, and you can actually click this back button here to exit it, or you can just let it play. And here's what it would look like, the whole thing. All right, go ahead and click save. You can add some text on there if you wanted to, or you can add a sticker. We won't do that for either one of these. Click next, and then you want to describe the video. Okay, type out what you would like. The big thing here is to make sure that you use hashtags because that becomes what's searchable. You have a certain amount. I don't know exactly how many they are. It'd be beneficial for you to check out like what's actually trending too. So whenever you're adding friends, make sure that you don't put too many hashtags so you have enough to tag your friends if you want to. And then you can select your cover photo. That's probably the most important part. So you can drag to wherever you'd like. Like for example, this is a pretty good cover photo. Click the check mark on the top right. You can add it to Snapchat, you could add it to Instagram. I believe you can add it to Instagram stories. We're not gonna do that. Actually, we will. All right, this is gonna be our first post. Click post now. It will post to TikTok and then it will pull up the platforms that you said you wanted to post it to. So it's gonna redirect us to Instagram. And there you go. Now we can post on Instagram directly as well.
I ain't about to split a damn thing for convenience sake. I'm at the restaurant working that way.
Thank you guys for watching this video about TikTok. As TikTok continues to grow and has new updates, we will continue to put out videos. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell again so you do not miss out on any of the videos we put out. We also put out weekly content about tutorials for Facebook, Instagram, other social platforms, as well as a Q&A show for business owners. Make sure that you go over to TikTok and follow us at BitBranding, and we will see you guys. That wasn't very good. Do that again, Jay. Stop throwing.